Hello SKB Diary. The Caterpillar 538 forest machine is designed to survive in the most extreme environments, making heavy-duty logging and forestry operations seem straightforward. Imagine the 538 navigating through deep woodlands, its powerful engine and superior hydraulic system providing unrivaled precision and control. Whether it's loading logs or clearing land, this equipment delivers strength and finesse to the job. The Caterpillar 538 does more than just get the job done, it conquers it, leaving you feeling unstoppable with each move. The Komatsu XT445L5 feller buncher is a game-changer in the field of tree felling, intended to operate rapidly and efficiently in difficult conditions. Consider cutting through large trees with smooth, precise movements, all from the comfort of a well-designed operator's cabin. Its powerful cutting head and excellent stability characteristics assure peak productivity on every operation. The XT445L5 is more than just a machine, it's a driving force that turns hard work into smooth, seamless operations. The Ponce Scorpion King Harvester is a modern-day forestry marvel, combining cutting-edge technology with unrivaled power. Imagine effortlessly harvesting trees, even on steep slopes, thanks to its unique 8-wheel design and exceptional stability. The Scorpion King's precision harvesting head guarantees that every cut is flawless, making even the most difficult tasks seem easy. This equipment works not only hard, but also smartly, transforming each forest into a controlled and productive environment. The Volvo C750D excavator is a beast for heavy-duty earth-moving and forestry operations. Imagine digging through tight ground or lifting big items with ease thanks to the machine's powerful engine, which provides great torque and hydraulic strength. Its durable design and user-friendly controls make even the most difficult tasks seem simple. The C750D is designed for people who require power, dependability, and efficiency, transforming laborious tasks into smooth, regulated progress. The Hitachi ZX470LL5 forestry excavator is designed to provide maximum power and efficiency in the hardest forestry conditions. Imagine clearing trees, moving earth, and managing timber with ease, as this machine's sophisticated hydraulic system powers through any difficulty. Its rugged construction ensures lifespan in harsh environments, while the operator-friendly cabin provides comfort and control. The ZX470LL5 is designed to complete the work with ease and precision, regardless of the terrain. The Dewalt DX300LL5 log loader is engineered to handle big logs with precision and speed, transforming difficult forestry duties into seamless operations. Imagine moving enormous logs with ease because its powerful boom and grapple system provide complete control even on uneven terrain. The DX300LL5, designed for robustness and efficiency, is ideal for loading, sorting, and transporting timber. This equipment is more than just a log loader, it is your reliable forest partner designed to maximize output.